Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube Tips and Tricks. My name's Brian. I'm happy for you all to be here. Before we kick things off, like always, if you're new to the channel here, we provide you with tips and tricks on the YTA method. That's our main focus around that course, and ways that you can grow your YouTube channel and ways that you can improve your YouTube channel. Ultimately, our goal is to get you to where you find the best niche that you can possibly find. You learn how to make great titles, great thumbnails, and you learn how to go viral on YouTube and make money on YouTube. That is our purpose. I have a lot of different videos out. If this was the first video you're watching, make sure to go back and watch the rest of the videos. Today's video is actually titled Cooking Up Virality. It's kind of an overview of some things we've already been over, but we'll go ahead and jump into the video here in a minute and go through all that. Although, also, I want to remind you, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and make sure that you turn on the notifications for the channel. That way, every week when I upload a new video, you'll automatically get a notification letting you know that the new training video is uploaded, and you can go ahead and watch it. Also, if you don't want to wait weekly, I do have a Patreon page where I have all of the videos for the first section already uploaded, and you're welcome to join that Patreon page. It's a $20 fee to join, and it's monthly, and every month I'm uploading a new section automatically, complete videos, and you'll have it all there available to watch. So keep that in mind. If you do want to subscribe or you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments or send me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But anyway, guys, to go ahead and kick off today's video, what we're going to talk about today, like I said earlier, is cooking up virality. So, cooking up virality is mainly testing out things on your channel. Think of yourself as a chef with a set list of ingredients, and you can use what you like and leave out what you don't. Don't be afraid to try out new things. Heck, my channel, I started this out as a video gaming channel, and I live streamed video games, and I made video game videos of like best plays and how to make the best class and just things like that, until one day I watched the webinar for the YTA method. I uploaded the webinar to the YTA method, and it got a ton of views, like more views than I ever got with anything I did video game wise. So I decided that that was going to be my new niche. I was going to subscribe. I bought the YTA method. I've been going through the class. I've been going through the course. I've been using the course to help me, and then I also wanted to share the course with you guys to help you, which is kind of ironic because in the course, if you've watched the videos, you know, they basically tell you to take other people's channels and kind of copy and paste and do what they do, and it's what they call viral surfing. So if they're going viral off a topic, you should make videos on the same topic, and that will actually help you grow. So I'm doing the same thing with their course. I'm just surfing off of their success and bringing it to you guys free of charge. Now, also, I do want to go ahead and talk about that. I'm totally lost, sorry. But anyways, I do love connecting with you guys and the feedback that I get, so feel free to leave comments and all that. I love connecting with you guys. If you have ideas for videos, you have questions about the videos, please leave me a comment. Also, I do plan on doing some live streams for my Patreon people that will be exclusive question and answers. So we'll do live streams. I might play a video game while we're live streaming, and then I'll just answer questions and stuff that you guys might have about the YTA method, or questions in general about YouTube or your channel, or so on and so forth. Now, the most important thing, jumping back into the video, is to tweak your videos and ideas. Don't just change. So what that means is, don't just start doing something else because what you're doing isn't working. Unless, in like my case, it didn't work for almost 2 years, so something had to be done. Basically what that means is, if you're making YouTube videos and for some reason your videos aren't going viral, you're in the right niche, you're making the right videos, but something about it isn't going viral, go back to the basics and look at it. Look at your thumbnail. Is your thumbnail great? Look at your title. Is your title engaging? Does it make people want to click on your video? Those are the things that you have to look at. in order to be successful. And then ultimately, then after you look at your title and thumbnail, you also have to look at your content to make sure that your content is something that people are interested in and something that is going to actually make people engage and watch your videos until the very end. Now, the hugest people on YouTube get the most food. This means that you're competing with people with millions of subscribers in some cases, and that can be difficult, but don't be discouraged because, like Caleb says, the founder of the YTA method, you're only one video away from going viral. So what that means is any day you could upload a video and it could take off and skyrocket, and you could get 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million views. And if you go up and look at some of these YouTube channels, like you should be, because that's the most important part of the YTA method, is looking at other people's channels and looking at what makes them successful and then using that to grow your own YouTube channel, you'll see that at some point they hit that growth. They hit a video with 1 million views, and after that it seems like their channels just take off and they skyrocket from there. Now that brings us back to spending time on YouTube. So spend an hour or two a day obsessing over what works and doesn't work. Look at your videos and see what has gotten the most attention and what has gotten the most views. Then look at your other videos and figure out why it didn't get the views and the attention. What did you do differently? And that's a good point where you can look at, this video worked because of blah blah blah, and this video didn't work because I didn't do blah blah blah. So you can kind of compare yourself and then grow from that. So it's not always bad if you put out a bad video. It could always just be a lesson. Another good point is mastering your niche. So if you're doing a channel on cute kittens, you need to master it. You need to know everything about kittens that you can. You need to have kittens. You need to have content, or your team needs to make that for you. Also, another point I want to bring up is I do have a thumbnail guy now. He is available. He creates thumbnails. He created the thumbnail for this video, and he can also create thumbnails for you guys. He does charge, so it is a paid service. If you guys are interested, you can get in touch with me, and I'll reach out and connect the two of you, and then you can work something out, and he can create you thumbnails for your video. They'll be made for you, and you don't have to spend your time designing them yourself. So always make sure to go through the psychology of why your videos are working and pick out the best parts from those videos and use that to cook up your next video. But always, guys, like always, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to turn on that notifications bar, and make sure to share the videos with anybody else that might be interested. If you know fellow YouTubers that are trying to get their channel up and running and growing, share the video. If you have a Facebook page or whatever, share the video. Also, I want to do another giveaway because the last giveaway didn't work. So what I want to do is I want you guys to comment on this video that you shared the video, and comment what, where you shared it to, and then out of the comments I'm going to use that. I'm going to take you guys for your word that you did share the video, and then I'm going to put everybody that comments together, and I'm going to do like a $25 gift card giveaway. So what it is, I'm not going to buy a gift card. I'm going to do a giveaway, and then the person that wins, I'm going to be like, hey, what do you want your $25 gift card to be? And then I'm going to buy you that gift card, be it like virtually, or if I have to, I'll buy it and then mail it out to you. However it's got to go. Or I might just cash app you $25 and say, here's $25. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brian. This is YouTube Tips and Tricks. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm so happy with my community and the support that we've gained and the subscribers that we've gained, and we really are growing as a community, and that is awesome, amazing, and I love it. But until next time, guys, make sure if you want more info or you want to get more in depth to check out the Patreon page or message me if you have any questions. And until next time, have a great week and enjoy your Monday, guys.